Welcome viewers. At the inauguration ceremony of the 10th Imo State House of Assembly, Motion NG was live to cover the event. Here we focused on the member representing Idato North State Constituency, Honorable Daisy Okechukwu Ernest. Okay is okay. Where you are seeing now is the venue of his reception party, Spanish Kingdom Apartments and Suites, Owerri, located off Onitsha Road. This is the beauty of the environment. We'll head straight to Imo State House of Assembly. Here, viewers, is the Imo State House of Assembly. We will show you the beauty of the environment. Beauty made by human hands. Behold, my viewers, the environs of the Imo State House of Assembly. This is beautiful.
Udeze Ernest Okechukwu Idato North, Azodo Vitalis Ndubisi Idato South, Olembe Chief Ituboma. The Right Honorable Speaker has taken chair and the mace has been lifted to the upper pedestal. So I can no longer preside except authorized by the Right Honorable Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I seek your permission to swear in other members-elect. Other members-elect in 3 batches. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Son Henry Chinemerem Ezinihiti. Udeze Ernest Okechukwu Idato North, Azodo Vitalis Idato South, Ihoha John Yoba Ikeduru, Osuji Samuel Ikechukwu Isialamba, Osakwe Obezie Modestus, Isu State Constituency. I, your name? Do solemnly bear allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. And that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
This is the beauty of Owerri, the Eastern Heartland. Gentlemen, from here you can see the Concord Hotel. You can see so many buildings from this area. This is the area view of the central area of Imo State, the Eastern Heartland. This is the land of hope. This is the land where Uzodimma, everywhere Uzo. This is the land of distinguished Senator Hope Odidika Uzodimma. This is the land of Onwoyoko. This is the land of distinguished Senator Osita Bonaventure Izunaso. This is land where there is Babando, there is Onwa. This is land of Honorable Udeze Okechukwu Ernest. This is the land of beauty. This is the land of hope. This is the land where the beauty is seen from above and felt under the beneath.